Hey everyone, Sonya Paz here with Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. Welcome to my new YouTube channel that I've got going on. Many of you know me from my artwork, which you will see back here. I'm a pop artist. I've been a painter for many, many years. And after moving to the Central Valley here in Northern California about 3 years ago, I started to really understand and love the fresh flavors of the Valley. So with that said, I came up with my own recipe of Sonya's Sweet and Spicy, which is a beautiful blend of pickled sweet jalapeno peppers with all of my famous spices in there, guaranteed for anyone who loves spice. This gives a little bit of sweetness, a little burst of heat, but not enough to rip your taste buds off. I decided with just a little bit of effort and time into focusing in on how to kind of create these flavors, I came up with Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. So this YouTube channel is to outline how I use the product. I've got other products coming up down the pike, and I definitely have a lot of things going on with this. So you can create simple appetizers, you can do cookies, you can do jelly cookies, you can do salad dressings, you could do marinades for meats, add it to pasta salads, use the juice for margaritas and for martinis, and you will be the mixology expert from beyond. So make sure you click subscribe, or it's up here or it's down here. I'm new to this YouTube thing, and I don't usually like being on camera, so bear with me. But definitely check out, make sure you subscribe, because I have a lot of recipes coming down the pike for you. Check out the website, Sonya Sweet Spicy. It's down here in the show notes and the links. And you can see how I do a lot of this step by step. A lot of this will be tutorial, part video, part photo, but however I'm gonna get that information to you is what is most important. So I hope that you will subscribe, like, and share this video. If you want to get some of my product, go to sonyasweetspicy.com. Click on the shop button on the front page. It'll take you. You can buy 1 jar, you can buy 2 jars, you can buy 3 jars or more. If you are a wholesaler and you want to carry these in your shop or in your restaurant, let me know. Write me offline on the contact information on my website, and I can get you information and get you hooked up. I hope to bring you more recipes and step-by-step on how to prepare some amazing flavors using my product, and also using different things like blenders and muddles, all different kinds of things, even using the Instant Pot for some amazing chicken dishes that I have created. So make sure you check us out, and I hope to be able to inspire you and get you on a sweet and spicy road to be amazing in your flavorful cooking endeavors. All right, I gotta go get dinner ready. So we will talk with you soon. Take care. All right, who was talking about a blooper reel? Yeah, bloopers? Seriously? We're pros here. We don't do bloopers. So make sure you check out Sonya's Sweet. Yeah, check out Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. Well, can I cover up the label?